Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Shande Guru Nisha Bhakta. Isha Misha Avataraka. Touch Prakashach to touch Shakti. Krishna Chaitanya Sangyakam. Vande Guru Nisha Bhakta. Isha Misha Avataraka. Touch Prakashach to touch Shakti. Krishna Chaitanya Sangyakam. Now for my respectful obeisances unto the spiritual masters, the devotees of the Lord's incarnations, His plenary portions, His energies, and the primeval Lord Himself, Sri Krishna Chaitanya.
Vande Guru Nisham, Vande Gurun, Isha Bhaktan, Isham, Ishavatakan, Tat Prakashamscha, Tat Shakti, Krishna Chaitanya Sadhu. Krishna Chaitanya is Krishna that was observed by Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. He composed 100 verses praising the glories of Lord Chaitanya. But because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was playing the part of a devotee, he toned out the slokas because this is not for me. That was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's humbleness. But the devotees know that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna nahe anna. Radha Krishna combination of Sri Chaitanya. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu means Radha and Krishna combined. In the beginning, there is Krishna, and then Krishna divided into two, Radha and Krishna, and then again combined. That is Sri Chaitanya. Radha Krishna Pranaya Brikiti Alladini Shakti Rasma Ekatmanavapi Deho Vedo Gato Do Chaitanyakha Prakatamadhuna Tadvayam Chaikamatram. So the Goswami Siddhanta that Krishna is one. There is no rivalry with Krishna. God is one. Eka Brahma Ditya Nasti. There cannot be many gods. So, when God, Krishna, wants to enjoy his pleasure potency, that is Radharani. So, he manifests himself, manifests his energy and he, there is no difference. Shakti, Shakti Matayo, Abheda. The Shastra says Shakti and the Shakti Mat, when one who possesses the Shakti, Shakti means power, potency, they are equal. There is no difference. Just like the sun. Sun is the power, and the sunshine is the power. So there is heat in the sun and there is heat also in the sunshine. There is light in the sun and there is light in the sunshine also. Therefore, qualitatively they are one, so far heat and light is concerned. But the temperature of the sun and the temperature of the sunshine may be different. Maybe not, actually there is difference. This is the basic principle of all philosophies. Achinta Veda Ved. Achinta means inconceivable. Veda means different and Aveda means non-different. The whole situation, the one is there, God, but He has expanded Himself in different way. Eka Bahushyam. So that is described here. Krishna Chaitanya Sangakam. Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he has expanded himself as Guru. The Guru, the spiritual master, he is also Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sakshad Haritvena Samasta Shastrai Rukta. In all the Shastras, Guru is accepted as Krishna. Sakshad Haritvena. Sakshad means direct. Just like you offer your devotion, respects to Guru. So that respect is offered to Krishna. Guru also does not think himself that he is Krishna, but he collects the devotional services of the disciples to offer to Krishna. This is the process. We cannot approach Krishna directly. We should approach through Guru. Tasmat Gurum Prapaddeta Jigyasu Sreya Uttamam. That is the injunction of the Shastra. The one should approach the Guru who can transfer the service from the disciple to the Supreme Person. So, therefore, the first offering is Guru, Bande Guru. Then Guru creates many devotees. Guru's business is to canvass on behalf of Supreme Lord. That is Guru's business. Krishna says, Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam Saranam Bhaja. So, you give up all material elements. Sarvadharman means in the material world we have created so many so-called duties. This is our material disease. People are interested in material engagements and they have created different varieties of engagements. Sociology, communism, thisism, thatism, philanthropism, altruism, internationalism, nationalism, many duties they have created. That is all material. Krishna, out of his causeless mercy, stop the children. Out of his causeless mercy, he comes, he descends. Jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavati bhara. Glani, this is glani. Human life is meant for one thing, athata brahma jigyasa, to inquire about the supreme absolute truth. But instead of doing that, they have created so many isms. that is their misfortune. Real business is Tathata Brahma Jignasa. This human life, nature gives us the opportunity to inquire about the absolute truth. We have got the intelligence. The cats and dogs, they have no intelligence to inquire about the absolute truth. The trees, the plants, the aquatics, the animals, the beasts, the uncivilized man, so many, 8,400,000 forms and species of life. Out of that, the civilized man, the Aryans, Arya. Arya means the person who has got godly qualification. This is the meaning of Arya. Aryan, advanced. Aryan does not mean godless society. They are non-Aryans. Real Aryan means, because we are part and parcel of God, naturally we have got in minute quantities the qualities of God. That is natural. But on account of our material association, those qualifications are covered by upadhi, by various designations. This is our material disease. Material disease means just like a gold is covered by dirty things. Similarly, we are actually gold because part and parcel of Krishna. We are small Krishna, very small, but we are also the same quality, but it is covered. This is our disease. And this covering are going on in different names. Socialism, communism, and this is so many. I am Indian, I am American, I am Hindu, I am Muslim, I am white, I am black. These are all designations. So it is the business of the Guru to clear up this designation, dirty things. Therefore, Bande Guru Ishav. Guru, first offering, because he is the agent of Krishna.